videos, so I like to do. That's all.
Okay. Hello.
I can't see you, Raja. Yeah, now it's okay.
Am I-
Okay. Did you record this video?
Yes, sir, I
I can
recorded this
see.
video.
Okay, that's good. Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a YouTube channels.
Okay. Then send me the link. Okay.
Okay, I'll give you some. I'll give you.
Oh. So tell me what next? Yeah.
Just wait. Hello.
Yeah.
And when did you start learning English?
Actually, when if the question is when did you very good, but actually, I know how to speak, but the main thing is for me, for myself, main thing is this due to lack of practicing.
Okay.
Lack of practicing. I also what is called the main thing is for myself is main thing is pronunciation, something pronunciation problem. And connect when I talk with the people, that time I could not connect properly.
Yes.
So sometimes I was blank what to say, what to not to say. So that type of problem I faced. That's why I in this, especially in this due to pandemic, I thought that now I got maximum time to spend at my home. So I
Yes.
think
Yes.
I should to utilize this time to practice English with some peoples who's also interesting to speaking English with like me also. So I
Yes.
found you and Montu. That's all.
Yeah, it is the best platform in these situations.
Yeah, yeah. Apart from this, did you prefer anything apart from this? Did you watch any video, English video? Did you join any classes for practicing English?
Yeah, yeah. I joined EnglishEye.com.
English?
EnglishEye.com.
Okay. What kind
Yes,
of what kind of?
yes, I have
Ach-
subscription of for 1 month. And I used to regular classes in EnglishEye.com.
So now it's continue also. Did you continue?
Yes, every day I will take classes.
Okay. So how about it? It's good.
Yes, it is good. It is cheapest way on learning of platform on this online platform.
Okay. So now what is called? How you practices regularly apart from talking people's? Is there any
Yes,
other options?
yes, I am talking. I talk to them every day on YouTube channel on Skype ID.
Skype ID. Okay. At least
Yes,
how many people you do prefer to
I
talk?
I talk to 2 to 3% in each day.
Every day,
Yes, yes,
3%. Wow. You are
two to
very
three
lucky.
percent.
You are very lucky.
Yes, I found people on YouTube channels. I send the message on YouTube. I saw video on YouTube channels and I send message every day. 2 to 3 people and then reply me.
Very good, very good. This is very good. Conversation is must. If you want to practice, if you want to improve, conversation is must.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, what next else? Tell me.
Then after pandemic, I'll get job anywhere in across of India.
You got
Yes,
you
no,
got
no,
a
no. After pandemic, I will get job across of India.
okay. You applied before, right?
Yes, yes. There is a lockdown. There is a unlock third is going on.
Okay. So is this job sorry, what's called? This the company also in your city?
No, no. In nearby, there is not company. There are not some company. I will apply other states company.
Okay. Acha. Okay, so tell me
What could you say?
anything. Don't stop. If you stop now, then that time we can't converse. I feel that
Yes,
some people are while they starting talking now they suddenly stop. So this way now we can't improve. That's why I'm saying, tell me, whatever you want to
And
ask me. Then
when did you wake up early in the morning?
wow, that good question. Usually I 8:30. Usually 8:30. Maximum 8:30.
And when did you go to sleep late night?
That it's a must because I'm preparing also now my examinations. That's why only 1:30
Are
a
you married?
week. No. I'm not. Why are you asking me this question?
I,
Oh my God.
I thought
I'm not.
I think are you married? It's just I'm asking you a question.
No. I'm not married yet.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Are you married?
No, I am single
You
person.
are married.
No, yes, I am unmarried person.
Then okay. Tell me next. So okay, one more question. Shall we continue in our shall we continue in conversation?
Where?
No, matlab today to first conversation, okay? So
Okay.
after that can we continue this?
Uh, yes, you will talk to any time. I will ready now.
Okay, because no, if we stop now, then I don't want to gapping, okay? If it's is there gapping now, so we can't improve. So I
Yes.
think you better understand. You better understand for this. That's why.
Before 1 month ago, I don't have any. I could not speak any language in any speaking part of learning.
Why? Why?
Before, I don't have any idea how can I speak English. And nowadays, I can talk to them every day, every person.
Wow, that is good. Your English also good. Your English also good. Very good. You are you preparing for what?
Yes,
Matlab,
I am preparing for.
no, you preparing English for what purpose? For job?
Yes, yeah, and definitely I will get, in after pandemic I will get job in across of India, and I'll get job, and I can improve my uh, I can improve my professional high post.
Okay. You're M.Com students, right?
I've done my MCom and I'm waiting my result second year.
Oh, acha. Same college also.
No, it is distance college.
IGNO?
Yes, I know. It is IGNOU.
Why I'm saying because no, IGNO is popular university all over the country. That's why. Yeah,
And
that's good. That's good.
finish my IGNOU, and I'll get I'll took admission in MBA.
Okay. How much percentage you got?
But not across of India. I'll took the admission in abroad country.
It's okay. Maybe very soon you will get. Okay, so what percentage you got?
In graduation, I'll go. I often marks in 75%.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, yeah.
I often good marks in 75%.
Sorry?
I often marks 75%.
Acha, very good. 75, very good. You are a very good,
Yeah.
bright student.
I'm a bad student, not a good student.
That's why you got na 75%. My God, it's very good. Nice,
Yes.
nice, 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 very nice. So now, right now, what are you doing? Right now?
Right now, I don't have any work, and right now I'm spending lots of time in at home.
Okay, you're from Jharkhand, right?
Yes, I'm from Jharkhand.
Okay, so in this Jharkhand, what situation Corona going on?
It is decreased cases of day to day,
Okay.
and there is going to unlock third.
Oh, acha, that's good. That's good. Okay. So tell me, what do you like to most to do every day apart from talking, liking, disliking? Tell me about your
I,
state. Tell me what specialty in your state?
It is industrial.
Jharkhand.
It is industrial part of, and there are many industrial company and steel, coal mines, stone mines, many types of company in this state.
Okay, 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 okay.
But there are
Yes.
localities not joined in our states, in our company. Uh,
Okay.
and what about you?
What about me? Tell me. What do you want
Yes,
to?
you live in Telangana.
No, no, Northeast, Northeast Tripura. Did you heard about this?
I know,
Northeast.
but I did not go there.
You heard Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram.
I know Assam. One friend from my Assam. His name is Jitendra Kumar.
Okay. So Tripura also related the same state. Matlab, seven sister. It's called seven sister together. It's called seven sister states. So
Okay.
Tripura also part from Assam like that, like this, like. Okay. So next, tell me. So your name is Raja Chand, right?
Chand Raja.
Sorry. Chand Raja. Okay,
And what is
okay.
your qualification?
Huh?
What is your qualification?
I'm done my masters in Hindi subject
Okay. And
and
what do you
also
become? And what do you want to become?
sorry,
What do you want to become?
I already told I'm preparing for state civil service examination.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me next.
Say, ask you.
Okay. So, yeah. What should I see?
How many members are there in your family?
Oh, four. We are four.
We are four.
Me,
It
yeah,
is
me,
short.
my brother, my mom, and my dad.
There are four family members.
Yeah, very small family.
Yes, it is good.
And what about you?
And it is there are seven members in my family.
Seven.
Yes, M-
Okay, very
my
nice.
parents and four brothers and one sister. Sister, she's got married. She got
Okay,
married.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. When did when you when you ready to married?
Just I'll become a good person, and after I will get job, and after 2 years I will get married.
Okay, very good, very good luck for your future.
And
Don't
when
mind
will
I'm
you
asking
marry?
this question. Yes, tell.
And when will you get married?
I don't know. I didn't find anyone right now.
Okay.
Okay,
And
so yeah, yeah, tell.
what does your father do?
Oh, he's working in education department.
Okay. Which types of education department?
Which?
Which types of work on education or department?
Oh, official work, official work. He's doing official work.
Okay, that's nice. Have you
Yeah.
joined any classes online?
No. I'm not join any classes because I'm not. It's what it's called. I think classes. Yeah, sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's good, but I feel sometimes it's not good because of see there is something time management also there, right? Time management also there. They will give you the one specific time in specific time. If you are not available at that moment, so
No, no,
you miss
you
this class.
can choose on time.
Sorry.
You can choose on time.
Actually, I don't know about others application. I joined one application my past few days, a few months ago. So in that case, I faced this kind of trouble. So that's why I didn't prefer.
Types, which types of join?
Bingo voice, something like that.
Ringo या Ingo?
Bingo, not Ingo. Bingo, B.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, this
I
is. I think it's not
I,
popular.
I joined Clipingo, and after 1 month studies, and after
Okay,
10 days,
I want to ask you something. What about Capingo? Tell me something. I don't know. I heard many thing about Clappingo. This is good or not?
yes, it's good, and you can choose on time. Every time, say the different types of tutors and available that on this application.
Is they charge anything for
Yeah,
class?
it's charge high charge, and you
High
can
charge? About
yes,
near about how
you
much?
can you can subscribe for 1 month. You will pay 2,000 month.
4,000.
Yes, 2,000 for
Okay, it
one
will be
month.
better I practice on myself.
And I have joined EnglishEye.com, and this it is cheapest way.
Sorry, I didn't get
It
you.
it is cheapest platform,
Which
EnglishEye.com.
one? Which one? Which one?
I paid 799 rupees for 1 month.
Which app is this?
EnglishEye.com. It is not an app. It is site.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you can
It's
search.
much better. I
Yes,
think it's much better than
yes,
Clappingo.
yes. It is cheapest way, and you can search on YouTube channels EnglishEye.com, and some videos are available on YouTube channel.
Acha, okay, okay, that's good, that's good. So your course is going on?
Yes, my course is going on, and it has 6 sessions left now.
Okay, okay. So so after in total month validity?
1 month, you can choose different types of subscription. I have chosen 1 month subscription.
Oh, after 1 month, did you continue? Are you continue?
Yes, no, I have running EnglishEye.com. After finish my course, after 10 days, 15 days, I will again join.
Okay, okay, okay. Again, you have to pay same charge,
Yes,
same
yes,
money.
yes,
Okay,
and same.
same.
And it is a benefit for me and any student. It is cheapest way, 799 rupees. It is affordable for our student.
Yeah, that's good.
And
Yes.
every conversation 25 to 30 minutes.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
To one.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah. So, okay, I want to ask something like for English. Okay, for English, what do you think? This is necessary for professional life. This is necessary for everyday life. What do you think? English is a language. So, what do you think about English? This is important for professional life or is important for everyday life?
In the situations of time, in my locality there is no environment of English, and in my thinking, say English is a profession, and in my thinking.
Profession, okay. But
Yeah.
then why we people are in this platform? Tell me.
Every people the one we need to improve your English language, and we will get a job in their companies, and if we can improve a higher post.
Okay. Why I'm asking this question? Because while you get the opportunity, okay, for any profession, any sectors, that time we'll see some people are prefer to speak only English, right?
Yes,
And they sometimes they forgot to their native languages, okay, their mother languages, and they also prefer to speak only English. So that's why I'm asking. You can say about us also. After 1 year, no, after 6 months, you can see
yes.
while you talking with anyone, that time you can also feel that English is better for me. I don't want to talk in other languages.
It is depend of area. I have expense of locality of some companies, and I'll talk to English that time. And in home time, I could speak in Hindi language.
Hindi.
Yes,
Okay. So your language is Hindi, right?
my native language is Hindi.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's in Jharkhand. Yeah. Okay. So next, tell me what. Did you like
That
this conversation? Did you like this conversation?
yes, I like conversation, but I have one people coming now and at 7 p.m.
Okay. Okay. That means okay. Okay. Another call.
Yes, yes. One people calling me, and I will wait for them.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll catch soon.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. I'll
Yeah.
talk to you. Have a free, then send message me. I'll talk.
Okay. So it was nice conversation. Thank you for calling me.
Thank you.
And
Have a
if
nice.
possible, then send me the link. Okay.
Which
Your
type of?
your YouTube channel. You said na.
Okay, I'll give you after sessions. I'll give you.
Okay. Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Yeah. Same here.